The first lesson in this course is about perception, how customers perceive you. One of the challenges that new F&I managers face is breaking free of the lower value mindset that they had as a salesperson. When you graduate from salesperson to an F&I manager, it takes some time to fully accept that you are now a manager. This means that you are now a higher authority. And the good thing is that customers often listen to higher authorities. You probably didn't realize it, but as a salesperson, you undermined your own authority in front of the customer by using phrases such as, "I'm not sure," or "let me check with my manager." This makes you look like an order taker, simply managing the communication between the customer and the people that are really in charge, the management. In fact, you've probably seen this phenomenon in action. For example, have you ever explained something to a customer and they did not believe it? But then the manager explains it and suddenly the customer accepts it. Interesting, right? Or think about a time when you had a bad experience at a restaurant. Do you complain to the waiter or do you ask to speak to a manager? That's because people naturally view the manager as a higher authority, and now that's you. So how do you establish yourself and make sure that this impression sticks? Well, it's a bit like learning a different language. You need to make authority-increasing phrases part of your everyday vernacular. And you need to stop using words that reduce your authority, such as, "I'm not sure." Phrases that raise a customer's perception of your authority include, "No problem, I'm the go-to person for this," or "I can take care of that," and "That's my speciality." This may seem like a small change, but it makes a big impact. Stop sabotaging yourself. You're in charge now, and if it feels awkward at first, good. Fake it until you make it. Once customers begin to see you as an authority in the F&I office, they will begin to trust what you say and buy from you.